My lips look so white. Why? Ah, I look like a toddler. Yeah, my two pigtails. Mm-mm.
Yo, I'm not trying to tell you how to live your life, cause believe me, with that weaving, you're still my type. Plus your beauty goes deeper than what's in my sight. But I just need to make sure that you don't believe the hype when they tell you that the afro's too much to manage. You accept that, thinking that it won't damage your self-belief, your value and self-worth. Look, you gotta know that you are a queen on this earth, so let me run my fingers through your natural hair. Let me run my fingers through your natural hair. I don't
Hey, folks! How you doing? Hey guys, voice over me taking over because the girl been saying a lot of nonsense. Okay, so I'm just gonna say welcome to my channel. My name is Lawnell. I hope you stay subscribed, put on the post notification bell, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below what other videos you want to see from me, and you know, tag me on Instagram. Show me you did this look. I would love to see how yours turn out. Hey guys, voice over me back in the mix. Let's get it. So as you see, this is a remaining hair from the spring twist that I use. I only bought one pack and this is the remainder. Okay, you see how much left back, honey? You do not need much to do this hairstyle. Then we have the Murray's Beeswax. This is the only product I use to hold down my hair, hold the style together. And these are the tools: the rat tail comb, the crochet needle for one of the methods, and then a scissors to cut the hair to suitable lengths. So we're just taking a closer look at the hair from the Linda collection. It's very good quality, it's springy, and this is amazing hair for this hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you the ways I've cut the hair for the different parts of my head. Firstly, I cut it in thirds for the back area of my head, which would be the shortest of the bob. Secondly, I would cut it into half for the middle of my head. And lastly, for the front of my hair, which would take more hair to do to be the same length, I split it unevenly, so it'd be like this, and I would use a longer portion of the hair to complete the hairstyle. So this is how the hair looks separated and cut into different lengths, and I'm ready to install. So I would apply the Murray's Beeswax to each of the sections, from the roots of the hair to the tips, to make sure the whole hair is sealed and blends in with the spring twist. Then just for sure, I just did a little length check. Okay girl, I see you growing. Okay, I do need to trim those, and I would do that after I take down this protective style. So if you want to see that, please comment it below. And yeah, let's get into it. So for the first method, as you see, I call it the knotless method. This is where I separate my hair into two, and we start it with a braid. One of the three-stranded braid would be just my natural hair, the other would be just the spring twist, and the last strand would be one part of my natural hair and the other part of the spring twist conjoined. Then I would braid 3 to 4 times down, and then I would join the spring twist that stood alone and my natural hair that stood alone to make that one, and the other combination to make that the second part of the 2-strand twist. And then I would twist it right to the end, applying Murray's Beeswax to seal it all off. So I continued that the rest of my head because I believe that method was the easiest for me to do and it was the most secure. And then I will show you the other methods I did. if you realize I did not use a rat tail comb for this part, especially the back of my head, because it's just easier to separate it with your hand, and nobody will really see the back of your head because it would be covered by the other twist. So I saved myself some time, and plus I do believe that messier parts and sections make it look even more natural. But if you like crisp, clean parts, go right ahead. You do you, girl. But for me, I ain't like that, so I would only use a rat tail comb for the front part of my head. Another length check. I see you, girl. But anyways, method 2. This method is similar to the first one, but this time we're not gonna separate our natural hair. We're just gonna separate the spring twists into the same half and keep our hair as one. So our natural hair would be one strand of the 3-stranded braid, and the spring twists would be the other 2. So you would braid that down 3 to 4 times until your natural hair reaches back to the middle. Then you would separate your natural hair into 2, one for each of the spring twists, and then twist it to the end. This method does create a knot, so I do not recommend it if you're looking for the most natural look, but again, it is up to you. This method really replaces the rubber band method. You can do that if you wish, but I do not like using rubber bands in my natural hair. As you realize, my hair is really fine and I am very prone to breakage, so I do this instead, where I would braid my hair to the root, by the root 3 to 4 times once again, and then crochet the spring twist through my hair. After I crochet it through, I make sure the spring twist is equal, and then I twist the hair down. I would separate my hair into 2, one for each side with spring twist once again, and twist it down. You can do as the other methods and do a braid first, but it's not necessary. This is the last method I would be highlighting. It's called a plait and twist, or also known as a braid and twist. This is where you would braid the base and twist the end of your natural hair, and then you would add the spring twist over it. You can crochet it through if you wish, or just do like methods 1 and 2 and braid it and then twist. The only difference is this time that you cannot separate your natural hair into 2 equal parts. You would just have to put it to one side of the spring twist and then twist it right down to the end. The con with this method is wherever your hair ends, it would be more visible, so it would not blend in as the other methods would. So I just finished the rest of my head doing method 1, and that would complete the hairstyle. When I'm all done, I just trim the ends, make sure all the hair reaches the same length, and that's it pretty much, guys. It's really simple, it's really lightweight, and it's very versatile. I do recommend this hairstyle. You can do multiple styles with it. It has no tension to the scalp, and you don't even have to lay your edges. Thanks so much again for watching this video to the end. I hope you like and subscribe, okay? And I post videos every Monday and sometimes on Thursday, so please put on the post notification bell and come back